I get called Bob Ross. That's like the highest praise for me. Like, yeah, my ego's huge now.
We get a private chauffeur.
Private chauffeur?
Chauffeur? Actually the marketing guy we were looking for without knowing it.
Salut!
So we're going to the mountains?
No, we're not. They're covered in snow. It's currently snowing there. We're gonna die.
Où c'est qu'on s'en va, Calis? On était supposé aller dans les montagnes, mais là les montagnes sont pleines de styles de neige, puis il fait fret, puis il mouille, puis les nuages. Fait que tant qu'aller voir des montagnes qu'on verra pas, on s'en va. On s'en va où?
Ça va.
On pas dit on s'en va, je dis where the f we're going?
17th Ave.
On s'en va à la 17e avenue. Il y en a un autre. Un autre four vin. Is that gonna get blocked if we show those steaks on YouTube? Like the
420?
Yeah. Demonetization is coming. La pluie est moins mouillée, le froid il est moins froid. Mais esti, ils n'ont pas d'oxygène dans leur air, les tabarnak. Je suis arrivé ici hier, là, chaque fois je prenais un pas de trop vite parce que cet esti-là, il marche tellement vite qu'il faut que je cours en arrière. J'étais en train de m'arracher les poumons parce qu'ils ont moins d'oxygène dans l'air.
Oh oui, c'est ça.
So we're higher than usual.
Exact.
On est plus haut.
Well, you mean we're higher than normal?
Is it an altitude or a longitudinal question?
I don't know if we're talking about altitude or weed.
Cory's been trying to find a bottle of Blanton since I know him, and just happened that we're in a shop. They didn't have any, but they just called their other store and they have one.
Let's go! After the last year and a half, I've finally tracked down a bottle of Blanton's to one single address here in Calgary, and we're gonna go hunt it down. It's been a long time coming. This is the white whale. I'm nervous as I am excited.
You have no idea of how many people he tried to get.
Thousands.
Like everybody that goes to the US or somewhere, it's either they don't have them anymore, they're out of stock, or they're just overly expensive. So maybe it's the day.
That's fucking sick. Yeah, look at the beauty. It's exquisite. I'm gonna take so many pictures of it. It's ridiculous.
It's already getting its own seat. Like, do you have enough protection there?
No, we need to get more. Find the Barber app.
Where to now, dudes?
Go back to the house.
You speak more Halifaxian when you just woke up.
My fucking brain's half on, bud. But Jesus, fuck, give me a minute, would ya?
Getting my own scooter now.
Broken?
Both are broken?
We're in Calgary doing some education content for Tommy Guns.
I'm gonna train a bunch of people from Tommy Guns, just about shape, how to talk to your client, a little bit of beard talk, beard product, what to do, what not to do. Nervous, saw the room, quite a few people. He's got a hell of a fucking head to deal with. For an hour, I'm slow as shit. But mark my words, he will probably get laid once he gets home. I think I might have confused a lot of people, and I think I might have educated some people at the same time. No, it was really great. Everyone was awesome. We talked about, holy shit, a lot of things. Structure of hair, what you can and cannot do, what you don't want to do, consultation, picky clients, tough clients, products, what to use, how to use it, when to use it, why to use it. That's probably the most important thing.
Talk about Bob Ross.
I got called Bob Ross. That's like the highest praise for me. Like,
their structure of the cut that you've built was like some of the stuff that they teach us fundamentals.
Yes.
And then you grabbed onto that and built it upon that. Now she was like, this is so awesome because it ties in someone that does it inside out from somewhere else that was able to understand structure. That is also something that we teach, but took it to the next level.
well, that's it, right? Because if you don't have the fundamentals of what you're doing, the original building blocks of how to do a haircut, watch out, you can't break the rules.
That's
If you
right.
don't know
The basics.
the basics.
It's the first time actually working with Cory professionally.
Yeah.
We've been working together for what, 5-6 years?
You've trusted our brand, and then we've partnered, and now it's fucking
Good things
cool.
come to those who wait, I guess.
Yeah. I've always looked at your work, and I was like, man, this guy is so fascinating. It's just like interesting character. He's not a dickhead. You know what I mean? Like, that's beautiful because I think it connects with people even more. It's like, look what I can do. Look
Right.
how I am. Look at me. And like even looking at your Instagram page from an artist standpoint, like photography and like making your own leather and like that's fucking cool. Like
I have a lot of different hobbies.
and they're all centralized to being an artist and true to yourself. So